Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to solve question number 9 of LeetCode, which is palindrome number. So this is very classic question, usually asked in interviews. So what is a palindrome? A palindrome is a number or a alphabet or a word which from when we read from front to back and back to front, it's usually the same. For example, 1 to 1, race car, madam, these all are palindrome. So there are two options to solve this question. First is to convert the number to string, reverse the string, and then compare the original to the reverse. And the second is that we have the digits. We create a reverse digit, take the digit from the original number, append it, and then compare the both of them. So what's the approach is? First you will create a temporary number which is equal to the given integer. If it's negative, it will be false, because of course if the given integer is minus 1 to 1, when we reverse it, it will be 1 to 1 minus, which of course is not palindrome. Then we will create a reverse integer, initialize with it 0, and in the while loop we will run it while the temp is greater than 0. In that we will take the digits from the temp, append it to the reverse by multiplying each with 10, and then cutting the temp by division 10. And if the x and the reverse is equal, we will return true, or else we will return false. So let's start the code. So if the number is negative, we will return false. Let's create a reverse integer. In the while loop, we will run temp. This will give us the last digit, and then we will have to add it to the reverse. Now here we have to take one thing, that the overflow can come when adding the digits. So for that, what we will do, we will use one LL, which is one long. We will multiply our number to this to avoid the overflow thing. Here you can check in the hint also, it is given that beware of the overflow when you are reversing the integer. Alright, so one long into reverse into 10 plus the digit. Like this, all the digit will come, and then we will add to the reverse. Now let's make the temp shorter using the division 10. Alright, now let's return if the original number is equal to the reverse, and it will be palindrome, or else it will not be palindrome. Now let's submit this. Alright, as you can see, we passed all the test case. Now let's submit the final submit. As you can see, the runtime is 0 millisecond, which beats the 100% of the people. So the time complexity and space complexity of this question is both the same. No, the space complexity is O of 1 and the runtime complexity is O of n, where n is the total number of digits in the given integer. So if you like my explanation, give a like, and for more such explanations, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.